What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to switch your fob from your black Mopar fob to one of my custom red or blue fobs. So first thing you got to do is take apart your fob. I took the key out. There's a little slot above where your key came out. You're going to stick it in there and twist. So this side's got your battery. The other one was your computer chip. So then take your new fob, take it apart in the same way and lay it out. Take it easy, it is just plastic. So now you're going to want to take out the battery and go ahead and stick it in the new one. You're going to push down on that clip and slide it in. So for the chip, there's a little black plastic piece back here. Most of the time it's going to be melded and pressed down. You're going to need to cut that, but only do so by pushing away from the rest of the chip. When you press this in here, watch out for the metal tabs. There you go. Clicked into place. So now just line it up, pop it back together, be mindful of your buttons, it will work. Stick your original key in, or you can have that other blank cut. There you go. Custom Mopar fob. So I like to keep the original, so you just pop it back together, put it in that plastic bag that I sent your custom fob in. You're good to go. Go check it out. famspeedfactory.com. You upload your own logo. Get it done.